All right, guys. So as I said, we're going to have some sort of sideways S into the close. It looks like that's starting to form. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to form. That's part of the S. But the thing that's really interesting, guys, is that I'm doing for September, and I'm looking at the end of all the August 1 months for all of these different equities that we do subscriptions for. MGM, Space, SPC, Apple, Tesla. But in any case, at the end, the 31st, I'm seeing a lot of congruencies between all these readings and the S&P. There's basically like a major August low tomorrow. And looking at the cards, it looks like it's most likely first thing in the morning. Hard to say. There's a low first thing in the morning, and there's a low between 11 and 12-ish, or 11 and 1-ish, and then another one right around 2 p.m. And the highs and the lows for the day are both within the same kind of like really close to each other on a chronological sort of scale. But in any case, the congruency, I'm definitely going to hold my short positions. The congruency is really, I mean, when you see something like that, that's the power of SO meta analysis, guys. You got to understand, if you're doing multiple spreads and they're all saying the same thing, I mean, they're a basket within the same index, and if they're all saying the same thing, it's going to be something significant, right? If it's an up or down or low or high, whatever the case is, if you're seeing it on all of them, that's telling you more information than just looking at seeing the low on one spread, right? And the same thing would go if you've got like a low on a 1 year that takes place in the same month where you're getting a congruency for a low like that. I mean, that would suggest a very low for for the inside the month of the very end of August into September. But in any case, what I'm focused on right now is going to be the 31st. It's definitely going to be some sort of it's going to be an opportunity to open long positions, to be clear. Scratch that. It's hard for me to determine if it starts higher or it starts lower. If it starts lower, it's going to start really low. We'll likely have a low midday, and then we'll have a move higher to a local high for August. If it starts up higher, if it opens higher than where it closes today, chances are that we're going to have a decline from a local high. Decline from a local high, and then this low will probably go into tomorrow, or into the 1st of September, that decline. All right, guys, I'll see you later.